Okay guys, so now that I've got my SIM card, my Airtel SIM card, costs me for 3 months 650 rupees, and should work all over India. I need to activate the SIM card at about 7 o'clock tonight, and that's in about 4 hours. And once it's activated, I can use the internet, send free SMS, make telephone calls within India for free, so that's a good thing. And the next plan of action now is to find myself a map, a road map of India, so I can do some planning. And after that, I'll probably go to the train station and find out about the train tickets to Chandigarh, where I can take the toy train, I guess, up to Shimla, up in the mountains. Anyway, let's have a look around here. A lot of good stuff. Hubbly Bubbly shop, handicraft emporium. Oh, look at this. Hey. Hanuman.
Yes,
Hello, how are you?
good. Are you shopping mall?
No, thank you. No, thank you. Nice leather stuff. All this stuff. All handcrafted. Where's the map shop? Pizza. I'm actually here to lose a bit of weight, so I can't actually pig out on the Indian food. Look at this. Peanuts. Enfield. We're going bananas here. A bit of a freak show. Huh? Hello, hello. My God. I'm having a hard time just without even the vehicle walking around here. Hustle and bustle. I'm getting a little bit hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day.
Boy.
Very nice. Thank you very much.
I make myself. Nobody.
Beautiful, yes. Very nice.
Ashtray, flower soup,
Uh-huh.
podium, ball, ribbon. I make myself.
It's beautiful, but
Flower pot.
now I cannot. I have too many things to carry.
It's not heavy. Look.
No, I cannot.
Bengal
Please.
and Jasmine.
Very nice. It's
Very
beautiful.
cheap, no
Thank you.
distance.
Thank you very much.
Very cheap, really.
I know
You know
it's
much
cheap.
more?
I don't want to know. No, I cannot even for free. Thank you.
Look at this chair.
No, that's beautiful. I suppose you made that yourself as well?
Yes.
Oh, but right now I just arrived. I just got here. Thank you very much. I just
You don't want
no, thanks. I just came here today. I don't want. I'm
maybe
just
after.
maybe. Thank you. These guys are trying so hard to make a living here. I feel most of the time I feel really bad. Sometimes I even just buy it. I don't even take the product with me. Where the hell's the bookshop? The Handful Bookshop, the Handful Map. Money changer. Look at all that stuff. Shiva. These hand carvings or? Wow. Very nice, very nice. Hello, camera. And here we have, what is this? Jewelry design shop. It looks like they're selling dream catchers. A dream catching shop. And another dream catching shop. Thank you, welcome.
Meet you, sir.
Yes, very good, yeah.
From
Germany.
Alles good.
Alles klar.
Alles klar. When you came, sir, India.
Today.
Oh, welcome.
So I don't have time to go shopping yet. I'm looking for a map.
Yeah, my after Delhi go next plan.
Yeah.
My plan is best plan. After Delhi go next plan.
making video.
Huh? Video.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello to my friends.
So after Delhi go next plan.
Oh, I go Shimla,
Oh, why go to Shimla?
Shimla.
You go to my place, my hometown.
Srinagar.
Yes,
I've been already.
Oh, you've been there.
I've been
From-
5 times. 5 times. Yeah.
You want from Nagin Lake from Dal
Yeah,
Lake.
Dal Lake. Yeah.
This is good place for me.
Very nice. Very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. But
Because
too many problems, eh?
What's that?
Problem, eh?
Only anywhere
with the
from
Indian.
Europe, Germany,
My
India,
friend,
Australia,
something
France.
here.
No, not now. Nothing now. I just arrived
Oh,
today.
your girlfriend, my friend.
Huh?
Girlfriend.
I have a married man.
So what?
My wife have a boutique.
Oh,
She have a
that's
big
very good.
clothing
I
shop.
want to come your boutique.
So what do you
See you.
so what do you open Delhi next?
I'm going to Shimla. Yeah. And then Damsala.
You been you were staying there?
Where you from?
Pardon?
You been you were there? My mountain place?
Where's that?
You been your mountain place? My place.
Beer.
My you been there? My hometown?
Yeah, Srinagar, yeah. Maybe
Srinagar.
5 times.
There is from Dal Lake and Nagin.
Very nice. I walk around Dal Lake,
Yeah.
Rosabal.
How I feel?
Very nice. I love Srinagar.
This is big of the lake.
Very
from
nice
there.
people, you know. Very nice
Big
people.
of the
yeah.
lake from mountain is here. Big Asia lake.
I
big
come
lake.
from Leh. You know Leh?
Oh.
I go Leh and I go down. Yeah. Anyway, nice talking to you.
what are you looking for?
I have to look for map.
If you want, I show you my office.
I walk this way. I have to go train station to look for ticket also. And my camera is going. See you. Bye.
Oh,
Hello again. How are you?
I made
You're chasing me.
1 minute only.
1 minute.
I tell you hard, Maya Bazaar,
Not now. Not today. I just come here.
10 rupees wrong.
Thank you. I have to. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, look at all these prayer beads. I don't even want to ask somebody whether there's a bookshop around here because they're going to start and fish me into their shop and try and sell me something completely different to what I need.